Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I want to talk to you about clips. Now before I get into it, I want to talk about the reason why I'm sharing clips with you. As these kids are learning and growing in this society, more and more they're going to need to have skills in the video producing and being in front of camera area. The reason is when these kids get older, they're going to be applying for jobs digitally. They're going to be having jobs that may be all video conferencing. And so we want our kids to be very comfortable in front of the camera, and we want them to have experience in these kind of situations so when they have a job, if it's in video, they're going to be ready to go. So let's jump right in. So this is clips, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start a new project. Now, clips has to be used in the upright position. Now, the couple buttons that I want to point out to you, right here at the bottom, the long red button, that's going to be your record button. Now, what's easy about clips is when you hold the button, it's recording. When you let go, it stops. Okay, you can also press and slide up, and now it's on the permanent record mode. Now, if I want to delete that clip, I can actually just drag it up and it goes away. So for example, if the first thing I want to do is do an introduction, I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to hold the red button. Hello, my name is Aaron Rogers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about plants. So maybe I'm letting the kids use this as an opportunity to teach me about plants. Okay, so if I wanted to just use the camera like this, and then maybe I can go outside and get some video of things that are plants. So if I find a plant right there, press and hold, let go. And you'll see at the bottom, I've got one clip here, and I've got another clip here. So as the kids add little videos, they become little squares. If I want to move them around, I can take one, drag it to other one, like this, or drag this forward. So maybe at the beginning of my presentation, I want a poster. So I'm going to come over here to posters, and they have all these posters already built for you. So maybe I want to bring up the science one since I'm talking about plants. So I'm going to touch science facts. It's going to download that to my project. So now when it opens, I can actually come in here and say, all about plants. Apply. And so now I need to decide how long I want this to go on. So let me just hold it down and then let go. So now I'm going to slide that over to be in the front. So let's see what I've got so far. Hello, my name is Aaron Rogers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about plants. Press and hold. Oh, so that video that I had at the end, I don't want my voice. So I'm going to touch that clip right there. Now you see these options that come up. So I'm going to mute that one. I don't want my voice to come on in the one where I'm showing the plant. I can also add some filters. So if the kids are into filtering their videos, I can make maybe the plant look like a watercolor or maybe a comic book. Okay, I can also add some live titles. So let me show you what that looks like on this one. I'm going to turn on live titles. See how it's got my text, and I'm going to turn the style of this one. Okay, so now let me exit out. Now let me see what that looks like. Hello, my name is Aaron Rogers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about plants. I love that it automatically puts that text in there for you. And so maybe there's some things that I've pulled off the internet that I want to use. So I can go into my library, and for example, maybe this video right here was about plants, so I can actually press and hold the record button and it's going to play the video as long as I want it. So maybe that's how long I want that. And again, it's clipped that. So I can go back into my library, maybe I want to use this picture. Now this is not a video, so however long I hold this is how long it's going to show that picture, and then I let go. So it's staggering all those videos in order the way that I do them, and if I don't want one, I can either touch it, delete it, or I can take that clip and just slide it up and it deletes. So right here I'm instantly able to add a title, some recording of my information, and then some videos that I find around the classroom or in my environment. And then if I want to add music, I can go up here to the top right corner, click this right here, pull up soundtracks, and maybe I want this one. So now when I go back and apply this, let's see what I got now. Hello, my name is Aaron Rogers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about plants. Okay, so I had a really quick video, had a really quick music, had a title page, and I had some pictures that I can use around the room. So instantly my kids are able to use this tool to show me what they know quickly in the classroom. And then when they're finished, bottom right corner, I can press the export button. I can save the video so it can go into my camera roll, or if I'm using Google Classroom, I can actually have them turn this in Google Classroom. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.